Hi there, welcome to this video tutorial. You will learn in this tutorial you are going to learn that how files are stored in a private channel in Microsoft Teams. So right now at the time of recording, Microsoft is giving us a limit of 30 private channels that can be actually created inside a Microsoft team. So right now, if you look at this the screen, I have a team called as like Flexmind support, which is already created, and I have got like three different channels, which are actually standard channels or public channels. So I have this general level 1 and level 2 channels. Now what I want to do is that I want to create a new private channel, and thereafter would just like to show you that how a file stored in private channel is different from public channel. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a new channel over here. So I'll add a new channel, and I'll call this channel as SLA escalations. Okay, so I'll call it as SLA escalation, and I would just like to ensure that not all of the team member has access to this private channel. So I'll make it as a private channel, and then because it's a private channel, so it's again going to ask me that out of whatever like team members that you have added in this team, uh, who all can access this channel. So out of the members that I already have, I'm just like going to include a couple of people from among the team members, and I'll add them, and then I'll close it. You'll find out that because this is a private channel, so it is showing this lock icon just next to my channel, and because I have added only two specific members in this channel, if I go ahead and try to view the same thing from other users view, so here there is a team member John who's part of FlexMind support team, but he does not have, I have not included him in this private channel. So this is the reason why you see this, that though he's able to he can see all the public channels, but private channel is something that is not visible to him. Now, uh, usually like whenever we are uploading document to the public channel, at that time what it does is that there's a common SharePoint site under which it goes ahead and create a folder structure, and I have so here in this case, prior to this I showed that whatever public channels are there, there's already existing folders which are coming up over here. But SLA escalation, this is a private channel that I have created, and this private channel uh, folder is not created over here because I am an owner. So at least it should show me. You can see here that I'm already logged in with owner's account. So if it is not available over here, then where exactly the contents are going to get added? So what I'll do is that once again I'll go to SLA escalation, I'll go under files tab, and then I'll add few documents. Okay, just to show you that I don't think it is going to make any difference if we upload the file. Still this folder is not going to become visible under the previous SharePoint site. So let's see over here. So I have uploaded it, and still like if I refresh it, still it's not available over here. So let's try to find out that where exactly this private channel content is going. So right now storage of file inside a private channel is little different as to how we store it in public channel. So in this case what Teams is doing is that for public channel, there is a common SharePoint site that is actually using. So here you see this, that this is the name of my team. So it has already created a site collection, is going and using a shared document library, and under this it is creating all the folders to represent the public channels. Okay, but private channels will be stored inside a different SharePoint site collection. So every time you create a new private channel inside Teams, what it does is that it creates a new SharePoint site collection, and inside that SharePoint site collection, Teams is going to manage the document. So how can we find out that which is the SharePoint site that has got created as part of this channel creation? So for this, if I go ahead and even check into SharePoint Admin Center, this by default this site will not be available. So I'm just directly changing the URL so that I can go to SharePoint Admin Center, and within SharePoint Admin Center, in this case, just hold on. Okay. Yeah, here you will find out that if I go under active list of active site collections, it's not there right now. The one that I have created, there's no such site collection existing. So for this, what I'm going to do is that I'll simply make use of PowerShell, and through PowerShell I'll try to find out a list of all the site collections that are available under this SharePoint I mean this entire list of SharePoint site collection. So here what I'm going to do is that I have already created this command, so I'll make use. So what I'll do is that I'll take this command, and thereafter I'll copy paste it to Windows PowerShell, and thereafter I'm going to give my password and post that it connects to my environment. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to get all the site collections which are there in my environment, and this is where you'll see this, that the site collection associated with my private channel is created over here, okay, as one of independent site collection. So I'll go ahead and open the site collection. Now after opening this site collection, you'll find out that this is documents library, and in this document library there's a folder with name SLA escalation. Okay, so here yep, so here you will see this, that under this folder whatever files that I uploaded previously, all of these files are available over here. So now you can see this, that under this files, whatever files I have added, all of this is available under this particular folder, and it follows the same structure what we have been looking into public channel. So right now our teams has got two different site collections which are being used to manage the files inside this team. Okay, so based on this factor, that how many private channels you have created under your team, the number of site collections will increase. So please subscribe to our channel to learn more about Microsoft Teams, and if in case you have any question, please feel free to comment. Okay, thank you.